how to connect your smartphone to the Bluetooth in an Audi. This is normally going for the A ranges and the S models. Okay, so first of all, turn the Bluetooth on, okay, and it'll pop up some options. But the good thing is, if you've got the voice, you can press this.
The telephone is not yet available.
Now you just speak to it and say, connect to telephone, connect to Bluetooth. And also the Audi will come up down there. It's pairing and you've got accept. Select that. Yes, matches. So this is one of the easiest ones yet, because you can just use your voice to say connect to Bluetooth. Phone to Bluetooth. It comes up straight to Bluetooth and you just start using it. And then you're just okay on your phone to get the address book and other things you need to do. Like text messages, but basically you can get it all on the screen here. It doesn't keep this information, it's only when you're in the area, in vicinity, like in your car. There we go, we've successfully connected. Click done and close the screen there. And that's it, connected and all done. So you press telephone and you get an option come up. And then you can
text message would you like to select?
And once your phone's connected, you can get your text messages. See, this is brilliant. You go back, dial numbers, scroll up and down. See, I'll just press telephone again and I've got a mailbox thing right in front of me here.